Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the DDoS SIM is active and has data allowance. This matters because inactive accounts won't tether. Next, make sure you have a compatible phone and that APN, mobile data, and tethering permissions are enabled. Once done, toggle airplane mode and reboot. This forces the network to re-register. If the hotspot still fails, remove and reset the SIM or try the SIM in another phone to isolate whether the issue is handset versus SIM. Now dive into the detailed settings. Set the APN to Internet, DDoS, PH or the exact APN your plan requires because incorrect APN blocks tethering. Then configure the hotspot. Choose a clear SSID, WPA2 security, and a simple but secure password so devices can connect reliably. Make sure you disable any VPN and remove background data limits. These can stop routing. Also verify you haven't hit a data cap. You may have data but not tethering allowance, so check your plan details. To finish, test with a single device and check that it receives an IP and usable speed. This proves the hotspot itself works. If connection fails, reset network settings on your phone, then re-enter APN and hotspot credentials. This clears corrupt profiles. If issues remain, contact DDoS support and provide your IMEI, SIM serial, and account details so they can verify provisioning. One key tip: if others can use the SIM in another handset, the problem is likely your phone. Service center repair may be needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.